All right, gang. Back to our 6.4. I just showed you the engine. This is the cylinder head that sits on top of the engine. So, like in this instance, we got an exhaust valve, and we have an intake valve, exhaust valve, intake valve, exhaust valve, intake valve, and so on and so forth. In this particular engine, the spark plugs are going to thread into these two holes right here, so the bottom of the spark plug is going to stick out right here, right? And then that catching on sparking is what lights the fuel on fire. So as the pistons go down, they're going to draw in air from the intake. They're going to fill it up with fuel and air. Then as it comes up, it's going to come up on a compression stroke. It's going to light on fire. It's going to push the exhaust gases out this, and all that happens in the perfect sequence at the perfect time. The valves open accordingly as they should. And so what happens is there's a camshaft that turns inside the engine to make these open when they're supposed to. In this case, and you can see, in this case, this one right here, the cam wore down on it. You can tell it got really, really hot. It's way more discolored than, say, this one or even this one, right? It's a different color, so there's definitely a problem with that one. This head has not been sent off yet, but more than likely this aluminum head is actually cracked. It would have to be sent off to a machine shop, be magnafluxed to see if it was cracked. However, most likely it's cracked, but based on the history of these vehicles, based on the problems that we have with this vehicle, the moving forward solution is just going to be to replace the engine on this particular vehicle. So a little bit more about how the internals look like outside of the vehicle. Hope you liked it. If you didn't, too bad.